Barbie Forteza nagpa-interview patungkol sa kanila ni Jack Roberto, buong detalye alamin.
How do you try to movie? 7 years. 7-year itch. Naniniwala ka?
Hindi po.
Hindi.
And yun, napatunayan ko rin naman.
Tama. How do you sustain your relationship with Jack?
Ang laking factor po kasi na ang mature mag-handle ng relationship ni Jack. So, yung ugali ko, na-tolerate niya, na parang ako, feeling ko kasi meron akong pagka-alpha.
Okay.
So, parang pagdating sa relationship namin, napapatiklop ako nung Jack eh. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, pero parang
napapatiklop ka. Why? Keeping quiet or paano estilo?
Kasi kapag po meron kaming matter na pinag-uusapan, tapos parang, syempre, as an alpha, feeling ko lagi tama ako. Tapos bigla niya akong kakalmahin muna. Hindi yung sasabayan niya yung level of emotion ko. Kakalmahin niya muna ako. And then, ipo-point out niya yung gusto niya sabihin. Tapos nare-realize ko, oo nga, no.
7 years. What was the most challenging, if there was any?
Quality time.
Oh.
Quality time, especially nung na busy. And syempre, nakaramdam ako ng konting guilt towards him because I have to admit, hindi naman to parang bago na I had to set him aside kasi nag-pick up ang Barda.
Sakit yun.
So yeah, para sa akin. Pero he really took it lightly. He was very proud of me, very happy for me. Siya nga yung lagi nagyayaya mag-celebrate. Ititreat niya ako pag may bago akong endorsement with David or pag may bago akong show with David.